Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Facial Plastics Friday. Dr. Brace here. I've got Jocelyn with me, my favorite nurse. Today we're going to talk about my favorite non-surgical facial cosmetic treatment, and it's actually two things. It's the CO2 laser and the Profound. So starting with the Profound, this is radio frequency microneedling, and what makes this different than something like Morpheus is that it's truly bipolar. The energy that is in the cartridge, in the needles in the cartridge in this handpiece, is passed between pairs of needles, so it's truly bipolar. The energy is passing right between, so it's very precise. It also allows for precise temperature checks 10 times per second. So you need one treatment with Profound, you don't need multiple. It makes you very swollen, so there is downtime. The results are pretty profound though, and I'll show you some pictures right here. So this is a result 3 months later after doing Profound on the dermal handpiece, which is the skin tightening handpiece. And this will continue to get better up to 6 months. The Profound will induce collagen, hyaluronic acid, and elastin production in the dermis. And so the Profound is targeting the dermis, which is the second layer in the skin, and that's where the proteins are, and that's what gives you the tightening. There is a subcutaneous fat handpiece. The needles are longer, and you can actually do contouring, so if there's a little bit of extra subcutaneous fat here, rather than liposuction, you can treat this with that handpiece and do a little bit of contouring. But this is a treatment for the skin, for skin tightening, skin contouring, but it doesn't treat the surface, which is where the CO2 comes in. CO2 laser has multiple different functions and modes, but often somebody in their, say, 30s or 40s who's doing Profound to get that kind of boost to their skin, if you do CO2 laser on light mode, this is like a light or a medium chemical peel, where you'll get the surface of the skin off. You're treating the epidermis to brighten the skin, make the tone and texture better. And the CO2 is the gold standard for doing that. So combined, we call this ProCore, Profound and Core CO2 laser. It's a fantastic treatment to rejuvenate your skin. If you're looking for something non-surgical, this will really give you a glow and boost your skin. Happens to be Jocelyn's favorite thing to do. Jocelyn, what do you love about the Profound?
I love that Profound and CO2. You can do it once and see a really amazing result. The results from Profound, we say, last about 4 years, so you can repeat it every 4 years. And it's nice that it's maintenance and it's preventative. So if you're not ready to do something surgical, Profound is a great option. Or if you're looking to postpone doing something surgical for skin tightening, that's why I love Profound.
It is a downtime treatment, like I mentioned, but it is comfortable. We have Jocelyn numbing people up. We have topical numbing and then lidocaine injected very dilutely in the face, so you don't really feel anything. We also have Pronox in case you are a little bit uncomfortable, which also is an analgesic. And so if you're worried about pain and discomfort, we've got that covered. Anything you want to add, Jocelyn?
I think you covered it all. And it's nice we get to chat for an hour while we do the treatment.
That's right. So send us your questions about non-surgical skin treatments, and everybody have a great weekend, and happy Father's Day to all the fathers.